Hello everyone, this is my review of the Wosato eyelashes with the applicator I got for my wife. She really likes how easy and comfortable they are to use. First off, they're super lightweight. Once they're on, they don't feel heavy or irritating at all, but they still give her lashes a fuller, more defined look. They look natural, not overly dramatic. The applicator makes a big difference. It gives you much better control than regular tweezers. So placing the lashes is quicker and less frustrating, especially if you're not a lash expert. She also loves that they're waterproof. Once applied, they stay in place throughout the day without lifting at the corners, even in humidity. Overall, these lashes are comfortable, easy to apply, and long-lasting. If you want natural-looking lashes that stay put and don't feel heavy, the Wosato lash set is a great option. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.